What's up everyone? So today's video, I want to talk about the Dyson. You can see in the background here, and the vacuum cleaner. It doesn't work. It's pretty new. It's less than a year old, but it died. It stopped working. I don't have the receipt for it, and I'm going to show you how I'm hopefully going to fix it. I just ordered the part off Amazon. It's right behind us. So let me show you what's going on with it, and then we'll attempt to fix it, and hopefully this video will result in us fixing it. So here's the head unit of this Dyson vacuum cleaner, and I have it plugged in, as you can see right now, so it's not like it's not charged or anything, but when you go to use it, nothing happens and you get this red flashing light. So I've seen some other people with some similar results. So it is apparently the battery pack on the bottom here. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll remove the battery pack, and I'll show you guys how we're gonna do that. It's fairly simple from what I've seen. And I went ahead and ordered this battery, which is actually a larger battery than it comes with from the factory. So this battery should actually be an upgrade, if anything, because I think it has a bigger capacity than what we have now. So we'll get this out of here, and if I'm not mistaken, I'll show you guys right now. So here's the battery. See how it's 3,000 milliamps, I believe that is. If you look at this one is only 2,100. So this battery, even though physically the same size, should actually last longer. So we'll go ahead and remove it. Apparently there's only two screws, one in the back here, which you can see the hole for there, and then one in the bottom, which you can see the hole for there. So we'll have to take off our little canister here so we can access the other battery, and we'll get at it. All right, so now that we've got that canister off, we can go ahead and remove the Phillips screw from the back here. So we'll screw this one out here. Kind of have to use a smaller Phillips screwdriver. There's one screw there. So that's the size of the head. Oh, she's getting away from us. There's that one. And then right here, you can see this one as well. There we go. So we'll remove this screw. And from here, this battery pack should somehow slide off just like that. So there you go. There's the two different battery packs. And we'll slide the new one in place. We'll reinstall this screw here. We'll reinstall this screw here. Now we'll go ahead and install our little canister back on. And if we pick it up, let's see. That's it. That was way too easy. And we're back in business. So I will link the battery pack that I bought in the description below. It's only about 20 bucks currently as of the making of this video. And I will update you guys if this doesn't work, but it had good feedback on Amazon. Super cheap fix, and we're back in business. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for other videos too. We'll see you on the next one.